Oh God. Hey, this is Therese, one mother, one daughter. Just a little heads up, I have recorded this video 8 times. But since I haven't been around for so long, it's giving me the blues. So, this is Therese, one mother, one daughter, and I am here to do a video response for Crafts I Heart. Okay, she is having a birthday challenge. It is called Spread the Love Birthday Challenge. Her requirements for I'm talking slow because 8 times, y'all, 8 times. The requirements for her challenge is to make 2 tags. She wanted to have bling on it. She wanted it to be in layers, and she wanted it to be very sturdy so that it can be sturdy. God damn. I'm telling you. Okay, so this is my first tag. Oh, she wanted a sentiment on it also. So this is my first tag, and I'm gonna tell you guys before I show you what went into this. I have had these tags on my desk for 2 weeks. I am a procrastinator. I don't know why I do what I do when I do what I do, but I do it. But with all that being said, I entered this challenge not for the giveaway, but because I wanted to support this other black crafter. I don't feel that we get as much support as I think we should get. Well, not me, mainly because, maybe I do think me. That's probably why I stopped doing videos, but I don't know. Let me not even say that. But let me put it another way. I didn't even know that there was this many crafters. When I first started crafting on YouTube, I don't think it was this many black crafters. There are so many black crafters, and I'm telling you, we need to support each other more. So when I seen her video asking for, I was actually in the middle of something else, and I stopped what I was doing. I was like, you know what? I'm going to do this challenge. But I mean, that seems so dumb now that I'm telling you guys that I set these tags on my desk for 2 weeks. I did. I'm sorry. So if my tags do not get to you, Robin, girl, do not even enter me in the giveaway. I didn't do it so that I could win anything. I really just wanted to support your challenge. So it'll support your channel. So with that being said, this is my first tag. And this image I had, and I was like, you know what? That'd be perfect for a tag. So I got this image from Etsy. Let me show you where it's a black-owned store on Etsy. See, support. And if you like this image or you're looking for this, this is where you can find her. And I made this image. I made this tag with this image. And I altered it just a little bit. I put an earring right there and an earring in her belly button because she looked like she was like, girl, I need an earring. And this sentiment is inspired by a sentiment that's on her. I think I kind of altered. I think on her tag, it says, I am mermaid. Yeah, it does. I kind of altered it a little bit. But she has other mermaids on there with a sentiment like this. But I didn't buy that one, but I like the sentiment, so I used the sentiment. So I want to give her credit for that too. So everything was cut using my Cricut, including my image. And the little sea creatures all there. I use my Distress Oxide to color everything. The image already was colored, so I didn't have to color that. And you can see the little seahorses. You can see some shells, starfish, more seahorses, and then there's a turtle up there. There's my sentiment. There's my eyelash, because that was also a requirement. She wanted something to hang. And then there's my seaweed in the background. And I wanted my seaweed to have depth with it. So what I did was, this is the part that cut out my seaweed. I put it down and it's kind of like I put the shadows where I wanted them to be. And then I placed the die cuts of my seaweed on top. And then there's plenty of shells because plenty of shells, plenty of pearls, because shells have pearls. And then there is bling that I put all over. That is also one of her requirements, to have it blinged out. And I put some Spectrum Noir marker, clear glitter on her tail and her top. So I think she came out really, really cute. I tried to bling her out as much as possible. And this bling, let me tell you, if you're looking for tiny bling, this bling is nail art bling. This same bling that I have right here on my nail. It's the same bling. And you could get these from eBay or from Amazon. I would say eBay because they're cheaper than on Amazon, and that's what I use because I didn't want them to be really, really big, and I didn't have any others that were this tiny. So don't you think she came out cute? And isn't that Black Mermaid the bomb? Come on, y'all. Leave your comments down here. Ain't she cute? If I was a mermaid, I want to look like her. Gorgeous. So like I said, this mermaid comes already colored. And then here's my second one, which is almost the same but slightly different. Everything is the same. I did everything, colored everything the same. It's just that the shells are different. There's a shell down here and the turtle's down here instead of up there. There's not much difference. And then I didn't put any Spectrum Noir glitter on her tail and stuff. I just left that out. But I did bling out the beach, please, I'm a mermaid. So everything else is the same, but yeah, this is just gorgeous. I'm like, yo, let me tell you, it's the mermaid that did everything. It's the mermaid. Look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? And I'm like, I need black images because I'm black. So I need me some black images. So if you never heard of Crafts I Heart Robin, you need to go over and check her out because she's so adorable. I like that that she does a lot of video response. She does a lot of challenges and stuff too. But I just feel like this is the main reason like I want to support her, and the reason why I support other black subscribers. Not like I don't look at other crafters, but the main reason is that I just feel like some of us don't have as many subscribers or views as they should. So I think that if anybody's looking at this, and just come on, we just need to support. I just feel like she should have more subscribers. She's really really creative. She's really funny. She's really sweet. She's really kind. And yeah, come on, y'all. We gotta support each other. So this is why I wanted to into her giveaway. So I did this I did this video like 8 times. Oh, I've been out the loop so long, it's crazy. This envelope that I made came from Creative Fabrica. If you haven't seen my other video, I am now buying digital images, including paper, because I don't have the room. And the good thing about that is that I could print out what I want when I want. And it's very cheap and very reasonable, which I love. Along with my tags that I'm sending her, I am sending her these stickers that I made for her, and they are, let me see if I can show you in my hand, and they are what I'm calling envelope stickers, which she could put on her envelope or she could put on the back of her cards, because I like to send people things that they can use for real. I mean, not just crafty things, because if I send somebody something, they probably already have it, because I don't buy the newest and latest things. I just don't have it like that. But I'm only showing one design that I made, so that you know, that she'll be kind of surprised when she sees it. But you can put this on the back of your envelopes, or you could put them on the back of your cards and things like that. So I wanted to send her something that she could really use. So this is like, oh, by the way, this is like beechwood, if I didn't say that. Like I said, I did this 8 times. I may be repeating myself like 2 or 3 times because I can't remember what I said. I'm getting old, y'all. But yeah, I don't post as much as I should, as much as I used to. I have my reasons why. I thought about doing a video on why, but it ain't even worth it. If you're interested in see some of the latest things that that I have done, I do post more on Instagram. That way I can just do what I'm doing without having to do a video about it, and just post what I have made. So I just want to give a couple shout outs. I want to give a shout out to some of my new subscribers that I just got from Kiana's Vision, which was today. I think I maybe got like maybe 6 or 7 new subscribers just on Kiana's Vision. So shout out to Kiana Vision. This is her. If you don't know her, she's a black YouTuber that does black content. She likes to big up other black YouTubers who have small channels, and she kind of give them well, I don't want to say give them a platform. She just bigs them up and shows the channel and things that she like about them. And that's what I like about her. She is super sweet. She's down to earth. She's crazy as hell. And she is funny. So this is like a small, I just want to say thank you, girl. I'll be back tomorrow, because you said you was doing something tomorrow, and she also is thinking of having a book club. So if you don't know who she is and haven't been subscribed to her, this is her name. I could have did a better writing down and better video for her, but I just really wanted to get this out because I know people are going to look at this. So you can go over and check her out and binge some of her videos, because I have already done that. And I mean, like, once you start watching, it's like you can't stop watching. So go over and show her some love too. Go over to Robin, who is Crafts Our Heart, and give her a shout out and subscribe to her channel. She says she's going to have more giveaways, and she's really, really creative. So please, let's support each other. Let's do better with that. And, I'll try to come back more often. I want to thank my new subscribers. I want to thank my old subscribers that's still rocking with me, that haven't unsubscribed from me, because I'm pretty sure that after this video, some people are going to unsubscribe from me. You know how it is on YouTube. You know how it is. So I just want to thank you all for stopping by my channel today to come and visit me and see what the hell I had to say. What she got to say? Or what she doing? And what she doing back? Where she been? You can ask any of those questions that you want to ask me down inside the comments. But if you get rude, I'm going to get rude back, because I ain't in for the shits, okay? So that's all I have to say. Other than that, I'm good. You know I love y'all. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. No, I'm not going to get it. All right. This is Therese, one mother, one daughter, and I'm out.